If you're a developer or you manage business processes, you've watched workflow engines evolve over the years. And somewhere along the way, they became bloated, closed, complex. Now, agentic AI has arrived, and legacy engines are struggling to keep up. You've probably sat through keynotes where big tech executives drowned you in AI jargon. But their platforms haven't really changed. The updates are cosmetic. m8flow takes a different path. It's rooted in getting the basics right, less resource-intensive, AI-ready, and flexible. And it won't lock you into a contract you can't scale in or get out of. Here's the real problem. Traditional engines were built for deterministic, rule-based paths, but AI is probabilistic. Agents perceive, plan, and act, and the path changes every time. That demands a different kind of engine. m8flow is built for this new world. At its core, a robust BPMN 2.0 engine, with multi-event-driven templating, and a lightweight decision engine for your business rules. Around it, a vibrant connector framework. Connectors embed directly into your process models, so your team writes far less code. And m8flow speaks the language of agents. With native support for the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, your workflows can connect agents to tools, and agents to other agents, with humans in the loop wherever you need them. Engines like Activity, JBPM, Camunda, and Flowable run on heavy Java stacks that demand a lot of infrastructure, even for small workloads. m8flow is resource-light, full BPMN 2.0 orchestration, without the weight or the cloud costs of a JVM. And with Java engines, even open-source ones, licensing can get complicated, fast. m8flow keeps it simple. It's released under the permissive Apache 2.0 license. Scalable, multi-tenant, zero vendor lock-in, no hidden fees. Modern data, AI, and web development run on Python. So does m8flow. No middleware, no external workers. Your orchestration logic directly and securely calls your existing APIs and ML libraries. All in your own Python stack. And m8flow excels in guardrails, delivering security, compliance, and governance. With multi-tenancy, every team works in its own protected space. Role-based access control puts you in command of permissions, connectors stay secure, and you choose the deployment that fits your environment. And you're supported every step of the way. m8flow is built and backed by AOT Technologies, a Canadian team that has spent years solving real government workflow challenges. Explore m8flow today.